Guys, a lot of you guys have asked me to teach you how to trade, and now I've decided to teach you from the start. But a lot of people don't have laptops, and they want to be trading from their own comfort zones. And I'm going to make this real as ever. I'm going to give you all the guidance you need through the phone, using the phone, right? I've had that videos that you can look through using the laptop, but I've realized that most of you guys don't have the phone and you want to do it on your on the laptop, but you want to do it on your phone. It is possible. Remember this thing: trading is time. If you are trading and you don't have time, forget it. You wouldn't see the beauty of it. You wouldn't be profitable. That's the truth. Because by the time you set a trade, you go, you come, guys, it's coming in alcohol. All the money is gone, right? So I'll be doing this with you guys for the next couple of weeks. Like I'm giving you up to 1 month, 30 days. If you grasp it, to boost and go to the next level. If you don't grasp it, that's all. So you need MT5. This is MT5 that I'm working on, right? Just download the MT5. We are starting from scratch. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel so that I'll be taking you through. And whatever you don't understand, leave it in the comment section. I'm dedicating this month to educate my followers from the platform to the YouTube. I have the link of the WhatsApp group on the description. You can subscribe, you can join the group, or mind you, it's a free group. So you join and we just post our knowledge there. Today, if you download the MT5, then you open the interface. This is how the whole thing looks like. Right, yeah, this is code where you'll be seeing the currencies that you were operating for. So when you go to the plus, you search for a currency that you want to trade. Let's say GBP. You see it's all coming. GBP, let's say NZD. So you see the name has come. That is the pound sterling versus the new zillion dollar. Yes. But let's go. For the purpose of this video, I will choose my currency pairs that I love. Okay, there are so many. So if it counts plenty, you go to this post. There are plenty that you want to trade. You go to the delete. You go one. I don't like USD card. NZD USD, AUSD. 1, 2, 3, 4. I like to make it a minimum. Okay, I'll be adding much now, so let's stay with 5. So I'll go to AUD. So guys, I'll go to AUD JPY. You can see. Then I'll go to chart. I'll go to the chart. It opens and look up here. This is M1. It means 1 minute. If I tap on the screen, M5 comes. It means 5 minutes. I tap on the screen, M15 comes. It means 15 minutes. I tap on the screen, M30 comes. It means 30 minutes. H1 means 1 hour. H4 means 4 hours. D1 means 1 day. W1 means for 1 week. Then the MN means 1 month. Let's put this in our heads for now. I said I'll be taking you through gradually. No rush, okay? I want everybody on this channel to get it. Okay, so if you don't get anything, let me know in the comment section. So this is my screen here. I'll teach you the settings later, but for now we are focusing on trading and making it profitable. This is a demo account, right? That's why. So don't worry, that one we'll even get to it later. Sometimes you see this chart, you ask what is this? Yes. So this is what we call candlesticks. Right, let me zoom out. So you see this red one, it's called a candlestick. The green one, candlestick. All of these are called candlesticks. You can see them plenty candlesticks. Yes, I believe I'm not going to go over this video again, so maybe I'll be referring you guys to this video sometimes, so pay attention. So each one is called a candlestick, right? Yes. So if you hear candlesticks, don't don't let it be something candle candlesticks. Don't let it be something in your mind, okay? Something big or something in your mind. So you see the red line and the green line. Yes, the red one is the ask price, and the green line, this one, is the bid price. When I go to 1 minute, you see the price has extended. These lines, they have extended. Yes, it means this is the ask price, this is the bid price. It's like you have gone to the market to buy something. You ask them what is the price. They tell you, oh, the price is 93 cedis. This is what is here, or $93 or 93, whatever currency you are looking at. Then you say, oh, I will pay 92 cedis. This is okay, bring it. Alright, that's why we say buy and sell. But on the charts, the ask price is when you place a trade, this is where it will be. So look, then bid. So when the bid price gets here before the trade starts validating or turn to blue, right? Yeah. Don't worry, I'll get to you. This is just an illustration on the MT5 how to trade the phone. So the M1, depending on the currency, right? We'll be focusing on BTC for some time. That is the currency I'm focusing on currently. So, but this is just the basis, so you get it along the line. So let's go to M5. See that M5, it is getting closer. Yeah. Let's go to M15. See that it is getting. We go to H1. We see, yes. So with this, what you can do again is